So I'm going to show how you can extract the files from the game of DragonVale, like the music, the textures, all that stuff, to actually use it for, I guess, personal enjoyment. It's kind of like data mining, but not really, because you're not getting information about future updates, because the future updates are all recycled anyways. But so you're going to want to have DragonVale installed on your phone. This only works for Android phones, by the way. So I guess, yeah, Apple users suck. I didn't mean that. Anyway, so you have the APK extractor. You download this, and you'll have to have DragonVale installed, obviously, and run it once or whatever. And in the APK extractor, you will find DragonVale right here. It's still under Backflip Studios because that's the original creator. You'll click here, you'll extract it this way by clicking in this app, and then you'll get an ad, then you exit that, then you go to your phone's file browser. On this emulator, it is called Media Manager. So you'll go here, you'll go explore extracted APKs right here. So this is basically like the app itself. Like this is the stuff that the Play Store gives you. You could install DragonVale from this by clicking on it, but you know, it's usually best to go through the Play Store. So you could like install unofficial apps using an APK. But this is, we're gonna want to export this to our computer. You can do this by like, you know, uploading it to Google Drive and then downloading it. But since I'm on an emulator on a Windows computer, I can just export it. When we do that, we receive this right here. And since an APK is similar to a zip, we can just append a .zip to the end right here. It'll give you a warning. You don't care about that. And then you can basically open it. So we're going to extract all. Like so. It's probably going to take a bit, because this entire game, I don't really know what's taking so long, to be perfectly honest, but whatever. It didn't take that long originally. But we can still preview them inside the zip. You're going to basically want to go into Assets and the hash bundle. Then you'll have a lot of the you'll have basically all the files in here. You might recognize some, so let's sort by file type. So we've got some HTML documents, and these are these are basically the emails that get automatically sent out when you like invite a friend or whatever through DragonVale. It's made in HTML. More HTML. We have some audio files. You know, some dragon noises. You won't be able to find audio files from DragonVale of this quality, because this is from the source. You can't get better than this. And we've got my my favorite, the ones that slap from the event, the Pirates in Paradise. I'm gonna be completely honest, this is the only reason why I wanted to find a way to extract the DragonVale files. It's freaking awesome. Anyway, uh, now, one slight problem with this whole thing is that I can't find all the files, only a few. It seems like the files in this aren't really, like, for example, I'm gonna grab foobar. Which is like an audio player that lets me kind of view directories as playlists. Let me just download that real quick. Because I'm gonna open this whole folder in it. Alright. And it's convenient because we can also sort by duration. Oops. So, the problem that I noticed is these are all of the audio files in the entire APK, basically. And you can see that only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are songs. There's more than that in DragonVale. So I don't really understand where the rest are. But like maybe they were like, I don't know, exported into a file format that isn't readable or is proprietary. I don't know. I'm happy though because my favorites are here. And the classic main one. Right, but the rest are just like dragon noises and white noise. Some of the ambient noises. Ooh, that's an interesting noise. Obviously they don't have names, they just have like a random string. Because this was not meant to be viewed. Ooh, we have the button noises. These ones are just like half a second long, so they're filtering through all that. Nice. But yeah, so a lot of this stuff is for the Play Store. Yeah, I haven't been able to, and foobar hasn't been able to either, find any other audio. But in the assets, there are also some textures. I cannot speak the English language today, it would appear. There's some files I don't know about. But we've got some PNGs, like some buttons. How about, what if we just open all the PNGs? PRT. Open. Now we can filter through them using the looks like a bunch of HUD things. Some texture maps. That is deeply unsettling. That's a weird icon. I've never seen that before. Now, I have a theory. Oh my god, it's that cursed shape that's always... Wait, okay. It's that weird little shadow shape bug glitch. Okay. I need to show y'all this. I hate this thing. Because I always noticed it in the top corner of the screen. Oh, wait, is it not? They might have patched it out. That's surprising, coming from this, from Deca Games. Anyway, but yeah, like, I have a small theory that the reason why most of the texture files are missing is because DragonVale most likely streams its textures and its audio. There are a few reasons why I think this might be the case, aside from the fact that obviously they're not in the game itself, so they would have to be streamed and kept in like a temporary folder or whatever on the Android thing when you launch the game. That would explain why it's so internet hungry when like I'm using my cellular to play this game. It like drains it. It would also explain it would make sense because they would avoid having to go through the like, what do you call it? The Play Store for every update that they do and every event that they add. And it would also explain why I don't have to go there and press download. It downloads it like in the game. That's just my theory. I have no idea if it's remotely true, but that might be why like a seemingly random amount of the textures and stuff aren't actually inside the game. The game's files. But yeah, I don't know. If anyone has any ideas about where the rest of the audio files could be, or where the rest of the texture files could be, like let's just grab a random texture like this. Like this thing, please let me know, because I'd really be interested in discovering this. Maybe they're in like a PRT file? I don't know what a PRT file is though. I'll have to look more into that. I'll leave like updates in the description of the video or whatever, but this should be a start for people who are interested in data mining or just like finding files. Yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, I suppose. Adios.